Every day, we are exposed to some level of toxins. From the food that we eat, especially the highly processed ones, and pesticide residues from our fresh produce. Volatile chemicals and every environmental factors that can cause damage to our DNA. And once accumulated and don't get repaired, it can lead to mutation and possibly disease. Every little act of self-care is a step towards better health. Welcome to Ecozone, where we try to live our daily lives with great considerations for our beautiful earth. In this episode, I will share one simple way to remove chemical or pesticide residue from our fresh produce. Especially the ones that we consume uncooked or in a raw form. I don't believe in using a commercial vegetable wash. Nor am I convinced in the ability of a chemical-based vegetable wash to remove pesticide residue. I use salt, a cheaper and more effective way to remove pesticide residue. A 1:9 ratio is recommended. 1 part salt and 9% water. This is the solution that I have been using for years, especially when I can't find any organic produce. Dissolve the salt in water. I prefer using sea salt. And make sure that the fresh produce is completely covered by the salt solution. Soak for 15 minutes. And rinse well under running water. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your every support. Be well and God bless.